Coach Alan has really stayed away from one of their staple plays that we mentioned earlier, that stagger to a low shuffle cut. We have not seen that yet so far.
The last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Billy Robles using his muscle inside. Defensive rebounding, Coach Mike. This has been a big problem para sa Bulacan.
And to think that Rizal is getting 12 lesser attempts than that of Bulacan, but they are shooting so much efficient at 44%. Like it.
Yang ano na yan, yung row na yan, Coach Mike, hindi ka pwedeng umupo dyan kung hindi maganda ang forma mo.
Oo naman. Kaya nga tayo dito nakaupo eh.
Kaya nga tayo nandito eh.
Saka pa.
MoneyPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Isang beses na ako nakaupo dyan, nakapolo rin ako.
Oo nga naman. Pero fan ka nun.
Fan lang ako nun.
Hindi ka part ng panel.
Jem Cruz, turnover para kay Jem.
Using a lot of clock. No question.
Looks to be a game that has been already secured by Rizal. Alday continues to pound, getting the three is Alwin Alday.
This to me is very important for Rizal to get Alwin Alday in a good rhythm, because they're definitely gonna need them now. The teams that they have not gone up against, the tough ones, and you mentioned, Abra, Batangas, Binyan, Jensan, Ilagan, Pasay, Quezon, I think even Valenzuela. Those teams are gonna give them a run for their money, and so you're gonna need all the scorers, including Alwin Alday, to be on the same page and on a really good rhythm.
Medina trying to attack the Ilonggo Superman. Napangiti na lang siya eh.
Wala.
Dahil hindi niya mausog.
Hindi.
Si Billy Robles.
Hindi talaga mauusog.
Alam mo sino lang makakausog kay Billy Robles? Baka si Billy Robles din.
Tama naman.
3 is good for Bulacan. They need this kind of a rhythm, Coach Mike, moving forward to their next games.
Yeah.
Mendoza gets the 3. Is Jolo Mendoza.
Another 3 made by Rizal.
Good use of the screen.
And they've been,
Decides to fire early.
I was gonna say they've been icing that high ball screen, leaving shooters like Alwin Alday.
Talagang nguya kung nguya.
Kasi naman
Si paring Jordan.
dito naman kasi sa Inari sa Pasig, ang daming masarap na bilihan.
Tama, totoo.
Diba?
Dami, all sides, bili ka mall sa kanan, may Starbucks sa katabi,
Correct.
may mga bentahan sa gilid, lahat kompleto. Pati na rin, ang tres netong si Aaron Nakop. This is actually the 4th straight triple for both of the teams. Biglang nag-init both of the teams of the outside. It's gonna be a charge on Jolo Mendoza for hooking.
That's right. Tsaka yung 3-point shooting, they had a lot of attempts here in the 4th quarter para dito sa Bulacan Kuyas. Most of them have been open, but really couldn't find that good rhythm outside.
They go to Aaron Nakop, far out. Aaron Nakop, in and out, and this is the ball game. It's been a well-controlled ball game by Rizal, even though Bulacan has always been gutsy and heartsy. Yung composure ng Rizal, Coach, diba?
Tsaka based on my observation, Rizal has used a lot of the clock, taking the shots normally roughly about on the last 8 seconds. They try and get to a fast break, pero since mabilis rin bumaba ang depensa nitong Bulacan, they are forced to milk that situation, find where the advantage is before they exploit it.
Final turnover here, steal by Billy Robles. Alwin Alday, good to see him back. Has 10 points, 5 rebounds, and 5 assists. Sorry, that's Billy Robles with 10 points, 5 rebounds, and 5 assists. Alwin Alday with 10 points, 3.
Yes.
Itong si JP Sarao. So,